meditation, massages and healthy nutrition, how to restore the psycho-emotional state and improve health. There is a place where you can relax, restore emotional balance and improve your health at the same time. Each of us experiences stress, anxiety, depression, exhaustion, tension, emotional burnout, loss of strength, disharmony of the soul and body and, as a result, deterioration in health. You can get rid of all this, and for this it is not necessary to go abroad, because there is a place of strength, restoration and recovery. A calm atmosphere reigns in the complex, meditative music plays quietly, there is no city fuss and TV, you can feel the aroma of essential oils in the air, that is, everything to forget about everyday worries, disturbing reality, relax with might and main and plunge headlong into yourself. And the presence of a generator in the complex gives confidence that nothing will interfere with relaxation. We felt from our own experience how here, even for a 2-day retreat, you can improve your well-being, reboot, gain strength and restore your psycho-emotional state. What is an Ayurvedic complex? In simple words, Ayurveda is the science of a healthy lifestyle. Its main principle is the treatment of not a disease, but a person. The approach to restoring health is individual for everyone, but the goal is the same, to do everything to increase the body's resistance to self-preservation. With the help of Ayurvedic methods, it is possible to identify the first signs of disorders in the body and illness at the preclinical stages, and from the point of view of modern medicine, a person is considered completely healthy. Considering the experience of Indian healers, following the principles of Ayurveda, one can restore physical, mental and spiritual health. The restoration of these 3 levels is due to the work of a whole range of actions: lifestyle correction, improvement of work and rest, physical activity, spiritual development, meditation, breathing practices, yoga, herbal medicine, music therapy, aromatherapy, spa, massages, a unique cleansing system, healthy nutrition, wellness programs. You can choose one of the Ayurvedic detox programs that will help you solve your health problems. They last 10 days. Ayurveda consists of the following programs. Panchakarma is a traditional Indian deep cleansing of the body. It helps to eliminate toxins, strengthen the immune system, improve the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, assimilate valuable trace elements, stabilize the psycho-emotional state. Normalization of the gastrointestinal tract. Restoration of the musculoskeletal system. Ayurvedic weight correction, 14 days. Comprehensive preparation for pregnancy. To maximize the effect of the program, the doctor enhances their effect with Ayurvedic preparations and procedures. Ayurvedic treatments include Shirodhara. Warm oil is slowly poured onto the forehead. This process relaxes and tones the central nervous system. Advartanam, massage, during which powders of herbs and spices are used. Abhyangam, soft Ayurvedic oil massage. Patrapatli, massage with bags of herbs in oil. Swadhana, steaming the body in a wooden barrel, Indian bath. Programs for cleansing, restoring and rejuvenating the body. Their duration is from 3 to 7 days. Relaxation. Detox. Detox plus anti-stress. Anti-age. Beauty. Ayurvedic practices. The center pays special attention to yoga, breathing exercises, pranayama, and meditation, which relax as much as possible, free the head from unnecessary thoughts, fill the inner world with calmness and ease. Spa treatments. 11 spa packages have been developed, based on classic oriental massage techniques and cosmetic Ayurvedic procedures, masks, scrub, peelings, body wraps. We tested Balinese full body massage and Thai head massage. Thanks to Balinese and Ayurvedic techniques, all muscles are worked out, tension is removed from them, the body relaxes and stress disappears. Thai head massage helps relieve stress, eliminates headaches, overwork and insomnia disappear. Blood circulation and vascular tone improves, working capacity is restored. After such spa treatments, you can lie in a salt room with ionized air, color therapy and meditative music, swim in the pool or relax in the Finnish sauna or hammam. We stick to a healthy diet. The chef has developed 2 types of menu. Your Vedic set menu. Food is served on a plate that has 6 tastes: salty, sweet, sour, spicy, bitter, and astringent. This contributes to the balance of all processes in the body and has a positive effect on physical and mental health. The author's menu consists of vegetarian, lactose-free and gluten-free dishes, fresh salads, healthy snacks and desserts. By the way, dessert is served before the main course. Your Vedic experts believe that thanks to this principle, a person does not overeat. And in the bar you can enjoy herbal teas for every taste, try vitamin fresh juices, smoothies, green cocktails and enjoy healthy diet sweets. In Ayurveda, the following ways to restore psychological and emotional well-being can be distinguished. Holistic approach. Ayurveda takes into account all aspects of a person's health. It considers his body, mind and spirit. Mind-body connection. Emotions affect our physical health. Ayurveda helps to restore harmony between the mind and body, improve well-being. Stress management. With the help of your Vedic practices, meditation, yoga, massage, you can learn to control your emotions, relax, get rid of anxiety, fill with calm and reduce stress. Nutrition and lifestyle. A balanced healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle have a positive effect on the psycho-emotional state. Strengthening the immune system. One of the main aspects in Ayurveda is to strengthen the immune system through healthy habits, healthy nutrition and the use of medicinal herbs. And good immunity forms resistance to emotional swings and stress. Healing herbs. Your Vedic herbal remedies and supplements help balance the body's energy and restore emotional well-being. Taking care of yourself. According to the principle of Ayurveda, it is important to take care of yourself and give yourself enough attention, which has a positive effect on the psycho-emotional state and physical health.